What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYBA Lenny P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. I know it's been a while. There really hasn't been nothing going on. I just been working and slowly in the background trying to finish Susie because I want her to be done this year and I want all the videos this year to be bangers. I don't want no filler content. But anyways, today we are at the local drag strip. There's some good cars here. There's a 32 right here with a freaking headlight delete and then a Susie behind them. And you know we got that thing on us. This is the best flavor, y'all. I'm telling you. This thing looks mean. Is he single turbo? He's got the fat meter-thins on there with the stockies. And this thing is sick. Yeah, I need one, bro. It's crazy to think. This is finna be our garage setup soon. Once Susie is done, let's see what he has. I think he has an upgraded turbo. I think that might be like a Pure 850. Weld in the front, little sticky meat. In the back, he gotta fix this fitment though. On me, he gotta fix that fitment. That shit yucky. He got the seat delete. My boy's finna go crazy. I can't wait to see this thing go down the track. Cause last time I took my car down the track, I just spun like all the way through second, third gear.
I'm so mad at him right now.
I'm excited to see this go down the track, this go down the track. And I think, is this a GT 500? Forgive me if I'm wrong, 350, 500 something. That looks pretty cool. They're warming the beast up. Damn. When we started this, it wasn't as loud as I thought it was gonna be, but we did a quick little research on this car, and I think it's a 9-second car. So I just talked to him. He said this is a 2.8 liter HKS stroker. The motor's fully built. He's still on the original trans though, so he said it holds well on the street, so it's the first time running it on this setup, so we'll see what happens. I'm pretty excited for it. Y'all know I'm not super big on like American muscle, but this shit hard. I ain't gonna lie, this shit tough right here. Got the Recaros in there too. This shit player, bro, I ain't gonna lie. The hatches. Oh yeah, I'm excited to see these things, bro. These are fast. Gutted too. Bruh, fat tires in the front. This one's clean though. I like the way this one looks. Fire. This one's also gutted, seat delete. Bro, this one is mint. Look at the interior on this one, y'all. What the? Honda boys. The VTEC. Suit back out there. All right, y'all, we have left the drag strip. That was cool, that was fun this morning, but I have a special surprise for y'all. Something fun, something different that we're gonna be doing with Susie. And if you guys don't know, I'm tuned on E50. I have a custom tune for that, but I also have a 91 tune that is absolutely ridiculous. And you guys know the cold starts on this car on E85, on E50, you know, it's very tame, very subtle, very smooth, because that's like, you know, they wanted it to be refined, super fast, efficient, and all that, and not just rowdy for no reason. You know, that's the PQ sauce right there, you know what I'm saying? But this 91 tune, they're able to customize it and, you know, actively move up and down the verbals on it. And when this thing is maxed out on 91, it is absolutely ridiculously loud. Like, I don't even think the mic on any camera will be able to pick it up. It's like you could feel it in your chest. It hurts from the outside. So we thought, why not? Susie has 0 gas in her, you know, so I went ahead and I got some gas in the gas cans, and we're gonna go ahead, fill her up with full 91, flash the 91 tune, because you guys know we have the new SP1R on there, and it's gonna get wicked. It's gonna be absolutely insane. This thing is so much louder. You guys will be able to tell the difference. Maybe I'll put some sound clips from the E85, the E50 tune to the 91 tune. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get rowdy.
You ain't know I keep that pocket rocket on me. Stand on business with my homies. And you keep talking like you with it, baby, show me. God forgive me, I'm a trophy. I know you like it when I'm in it, got you screaming, ooh, ah. Yeah, ooh, ah. Thug is some love, baby. You been running from these drugs, baby.
Finishing up, y'all. We are flashing the 91 too. We had some problems connecting to the software just because the cord that I have and my phone is trash. But as y'all can hear, it's making all these Transformer Autobot noises because it's changing the tune, changing all the parameters and everything. It should be tweaking on the inside on the dash.
Yeah, your RPMs is shooting up.
Yeah, everything on the dash is all gonna tweak. It's scary. I don't like flashing the ECU. It's scary. But it says 91 tune is a success. So she's flashed. What I told y'all, this thing is ignorant. It's ridiculous. There's no need for any car to ever be this loud, but it's so great at the same time. I guarantee you the camera doesn't do it justice. I'm inside the car and it hurts. Like, I'm pretty sure he has permanent ear and eye damage.
Bro, look what it did to my eye.
Bro, look what it did to his eye. Bro, look at this, bro. Bro, I shot a flame so fat and so invisible, it burned his eye.
Never flash it.
The cornea or whatever it is over with.
I can't even see.
This thing, it's stupid. So we're gonna get some flybys, we're gonna have some fun, and then we'll put the E back and we'll put it back. Because there's no way ever in life that this should be this loud. It's just stupid, but I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's have some fun. Bro, these are gunshots.
It doesn't pop at a high RPM, son.
Nah, like when I'm like at a high RPM, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Like around 5 and 6. If I let off at 5 or 6, it won't pop.
heard that turbo flutter?
No, I didn't hear it.
Bro, we heard that shit.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Bro, that shit was loud as fuck. That shit-
Oh, he's gonna rev it for me. I've never heard the rev. Don't blow my shit. What the? Bro, no way. All right, this thing is stupid. It's awesome. What the hell? Bro. Why is it not spitting flames? I'm gonna get some flybys. Bro, this thing is stupid. Oh my God.
Bro, I think 3 is where it really...
Yeah. This, bro. Y'all, if y'all haven't hit that like button already, bro, hit it for me right now. 'Cause this thing is stupid, boy. What? Oh, what the fuck? That shit shot me. Oh my God. Bro. Oh my God. Oh. You guys hella sideways. I got scared. I love how all the kids love it. Oh my God, bro, it's like a fighter jet.
Bro, that shit...
It's
That's the shit that go get
bro,
you left, bro.
I'm gonna get fucking arrested if I leave it on here. I think we have 10 minutes until the SWAT team is
We
here.
made his day for sure, bro.
Yeah. Bro. Bro, my turbo's over, bro. I want to turn this shit off. Bro, he drives that shit harder than me. I be babying my shit, I ain't gonna lie. 'Cause I'm broke. I can't fix it. That thing's stupid. But we got people in the houses, bro, looking out the window. Oh, Susie, how we miss you. I'm telling you, just wait till Susie's done. We're gonna be acting up all the time. Let's throw the E back in her though. Get her on kill mode again.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, 'cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro? Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.